Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is unlocked and you're signed into the correct Maps account. Open Apple Maps or Google Maps and tap your profile or menu icon to access sharing controls. Once there, navigate directly to Location or Location Sharing. This moves you into the controls that list active shares. You're doing this now to avoid digging through unrelated settings. Make sure to note which contact or device is currently receiving your live location before you change anything. Now you stop active sharing. On iPhone, go to Share My Location in Settings or within Apple Maps, then toggle off or pick a person and choose Stop Sharing. On Android, open Google Maps Location Sharing, locate each person or device, and tap Stop. Once done, make sure to also revoke persistent app permissions. Go to Settings Privacy Location Services on iOS or Settings Apps Permissions on Android, and set Maps to While Using or Deny to prevent background sharing. Finish by signing out of any secondary devices and removing unrecognized devices from your account's device list. This prevents accidental resharing. Turn off background location for Maps, and, if you use family sharing, confirm location access is disabled there as well. Once you've made these changes, reboot the device to ensure settings apply. If someone still sees your location, clear the app cache or force stop the app. Then change your account password to revoke lingering sessions. This resolves most residual sharing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.